Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and secure Bank of America mobile banking step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your mobile device. Locate and open the App Store if you are an iPhone user, or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. In the search bar, type Bank of America and hit search. Look for the official Bank of America mobile banking app in the results. Verify that the app is developed by Bank of America Corporation to ensure authenticity. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Click on the download or install button to start the downloading process. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap to open the Bank of America mobile banking app. If you are a first-time user, select the option to enroll in mobile banking. Enter your personal information as prompted, including your account number and other identifying details. Create a secure username and password when prompted. For added security, consider setting up two-factor authentication if available. Once registered, log in using your new credentials. If you already have an account, simply enter your username and password to log in. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features, such as viewing account balances and making transfers. Make sure to adjust your security settings within the app to enhance your protection. Regularly update your password and monitor your account for any suspicious activity. Log out after each session to ensure your account stays secure on shared devices. Now you're ready to use the Bank of America mobile banking app securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.